Hi, my name is Susanna Guerra, and today is Monday, September 10th, 2018. Today we're going to do exercise 1 of bacterial enumeration, dilution, and plate counts. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the dilution and variable plate count. First thing we do, we have all our items and materials we need. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean off this pipette, make sure that it has nothing in there. We're going to start with 10 minus 1. Recommendation is to do 2.25. Okay, and we're going to do this for each of them. Okay, there's 1. We're going to go ahead and do 2. It's a little hard to remove the bubble there, but okay. It's kind of hard to remove the bubble for the most part, but just doing all of them just as it noted. So I'm not really going in sequence of 1, 2, and 3 just for this purpose, just because I know all of them are going to be carrying the same thing. This is the last one. Alright, now we can go ahead and rinse that off from the water. We're going to remove this from the side. Now that we have all our test tubes with 2.25 ml of distilled water, I'm going to go ahead and bring the yeast over. I am just kind of moving it around. It says move it around so that the organisms can be distributed evenly. And so now we're going to go ahead and grab our pipette back, clean it out from any excess fluid, and we're going to start with 10 minus 1. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we'll mix that around a little bit. We're going to start with 10 minus 1, and it's asking for 0.25, so just about there. Okay, so we got it in there. We're going to go ahead and rinse this test tube. Okay, I'm going to leave it in there. Now it is asking that we transfer to the 2, from the 2 to the 3, from the 3 to the 4, and back all the way down in that sequence. So we're going to go ahead, and every time in between we're going to sterilize our pipette here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove 0.25 from here now, which is about that much, and we're going to go into 2. Okay, and we're going to put this back in here. Now we're going to go clean that off. Now we're going from 2 Let me hold this. It's from 2 all the way to 3. Again, sterilize. Now we're going from 3 to 4. Okay. Sterilize again. Okay. So now we're going to 4 over to 5. You know what, this one's not really working well, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. We're gonna just use this one. Okay, I'm going to 5. And then we're gonna do last one. We're gonna go from 5 to our 6th one here in the back. And I think that one only took half, so I'm just gonna add just a little more to it to complete what my dose was. There we go. So we are all done with this process now. Now from here, we're gonna go ahead and transfer them over to our agar plates. Our agar plates are already labeled as well. Just gonna put them in order. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we'll start the next process. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the part 2 of this exercise. The part 2, it's inculating plates. So now we're gonna go ahead and move forward to the plates. We're gonna remove all as much items there or solution in there. We're going to the 10, -1, and same as my plate here. It is requesting that we do about 4 drops, so just very lightly. So I'm gonna try to grab just a little bit of solution, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we did 4 in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to 2, and we have 2 labeled here. Again, we remove the alcohol. Try to remove as much as we can. And again, it is requesting about 4 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And for the first 12 hours, we're gonna actually not turn them upside down as usually it requests. We're actually just leaving them for 12 hours sitting like that. Now we're doing 10 -3. Okay. Again, we try to remove as much alcohol as possible. And we're going again for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover this. Now we're moving on to 4. And we have 4. Okay. Again, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna go ahead and put this away. Now we're going over to 5. And we're doing 5 as well. We're gonna go ahead and remove as much alcohol as possible. And again, we're removing just about 4 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Put it back in the alcohol. Close this up. Now we're gonna do the last one. And again, this is 6, it's labeled. And so is our test tube here. So we're gonna go ahead, clear it up of as much alcohol as possible. And we're gonna go ahead and again do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we have come to the end of this experiment. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our incubation location for 12 hours. After that, we're gonna go ahead and invert the dishes for an additional 36 hours. Hi, my name is Susana Aguirre. Today is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018. Today we're going to do part 2 of the bacterial enumeration, dilutions, and plate count. And we have our count already here, our plates, which we have left. First we did the 12 hours, then we did another 36, and now we have total time was about 48 more or less that we left them there. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the count. And as I can see, 10 minus 1 or negative 1 is one of the ones that has the multiple colonies. It was the most, I guess, potent one of all of them. So we're going to go ahead and finish up the worksheet, but we have completed our agar plates.